Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not loading on your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is from your network. The slow internet is one of the main reasons that your Roblox won't load. Now close the Roblox completely and open the recent apps. Swipe the Roblox away to force close it and open it again. And if it's still not loading, you can restart your device and you can go to settings and click the apps and select the app management and find the Roblox. And here in the storage, clear the cache. Do not tap clear data unless needed. Here you can go to App Store or Play Store and search for the Roblox. And if there is an update available, click Update if available. And if it's still not working, just delete the app and reinstall it from the store. This fixes corrupted files. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.